Welcome to Narisaki. Today we're going to make mango salsa. Mango is so sweet and it has vitamins. But before we start this recipe, I have a special guest. Come on. She is my friend Swandy. Hi, Swandy.
I love mangoes. It's vitamins.
I have chopped mangoes here. Now I'm going to add some cilantro in the mangoes. And mango and cilantro, it tastes so yummy, that combination. Now I'm going to add it. I'm going to add bell pepper. It has spiciness, crunch, and sweetness. Now I'm going to add some bell pepper. You can also add green chilies, all of those spices also for this.
I'm putting the tomatoes.
You can add a little bit pinch of salt. You don't need salt, but you can add salt. You have to mix it.
Mix it. Now it's mixed.
Now this is ready to serve. You can eat it with chips, nachos, anything. It tastes so yummy. Sweet, crunchy, spicy, yummy.
Sweet, crunchy, spicy, so sweet.
Thank you for watching Narisaki. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Bye. And remember, thumbs up the videos, then you'll get more and more videos like this one. And do try this salad at home. It tastes so yummy. You can eat it every day. Mango, mango, mango.